Looking to save money on everyday shopping without changing your routine? Well, you are in the right place because in today's video, we are taking a closer look at the Fetch Rewards app, one of the most popular receipt rewards apps available today. We will explore how it works, how you can earn points from your grocery and retail purchases, the rewards you can redeem, and whether it's actually worth your time. We will walk you through the app's features, user experience, and share our honest opinion based on what it offers. And if you're wondering whether Fetch Rewards deserves a spot on your phone, stick around because we will cover everything you need to know before you start scanning your first receipt. Let's begin. When you visit the official Fetch website, which is going to be fetch.com, you might notice something a little different. Unlike many online services, there isn't a traditional login or sign up button prominently displayed on the homepage. That's because Fetch is designed primarily as a mobile-first rewards app, where the complete experience from creating an account to earning and redeeming points takes place on your smartphone. But the question is, what exactly is Fetch? Basically, Fetch is a free rewards app that lets you earn points simply by shopping, and you can scan your paper receipts, submit eligible e-receipts from online purchases, and shop through participating retailers, and even earn additional points by completing special offers or playing supported mobile games. And as your points accumulate, you can redeem them for gift cards from a wide variety of popular brands and retailers. Even though the website doesn't let you create an account directly, it serves as a great introduction to everything Fetch has to offer. Across the homepage, you will find several helpful menus options that explains how the platform works before you download the app. The brands showcases many of the hundreds of participating brands that offer bonus points when you purchase their products, making it easier to maximize your rewards. Speaking of rewards, this gives you a preview of the different gift cards and redemption options available once you've earned enough points, helping you see what your shopping can earn. And the section that says how to earn rewards walks you through different ways to collect points. You can download the extension, refer friends, play mobile games, shop online through the app, redeem offers, spin and win, and connect your e-receipt, which is an excellent place for new users to understand how the app works before getting started. And finally, the blog is an option for you to find helpful articles, shopping tips, money-saving tips, new brand announcements. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, it's a useful resource for getting the most out of the app. Overall, the Fetch website does exactly what it is intended to do: introduce you to the platform and explain how the reward system works. And of course, once you get the clear understanding of the app, you need to download it here on the website. And of course, if you're ready to start earning rewards, the Fetch Rewards app is available for both iPhone and Android devices. Simply head over to the App Store if you're using an iOS or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Download and install the app, then sign in using your existing credentials. If you are new to Fetch Rewards, creating an account is quick and straightforward because you can sign up using one of the available registration options, making it easy to get started in just a few minutes. During the sign-up process, Fetch Rewards may ask you a series of questions to personalize your shopping experience. These questions help the app understand your shopping habits and preferences so it can recommend the most relevant offers and rewards. It's a good idea to answer them honestly to get the best possible experience from the platform. And once you've completed the setup and landed on the home screen, you'll immediately notice how intuitive the mobile app feels. Everything is organized with simplicity in mind, making it easy to navigate whether you're scanning receipts, browsing rewards, or checking your points balance. The interface is designed for convenience, allowing you to use the app comfortably while you're on the go with minimal hassle. Now, the Discover section is your personalized home feed inside the Fetch Rewards app. This is where you will find featured rewards offers, bonus point promotions, including lifetime deals, partner brands, and recommendations based on your shopping habits. It's a great place to check before uploading a receipt because you may find opportunities to earn extra points on products you're already planning to buy. And then the next section is going to be the shop online. This lets you earn fetch points when you make purchases through participating online retailers. Simply browse the available stores, tap on a retailer. For example, we have the 1800 contacts, and then all I have to do is complete your purchase through the Fetch app, and it's an easy way to earn rewards on everyday online shopping, whether you're buying clothing, electronics, beauty home products, home essentials, or other eligible items. Now, one of my favorite feature here in Fetch is going to be the option on the Let's Play section. The Let's Play section adds a fun, gamified experience to the app by letting users earn additional rewards through interactive activities. So you have the Play, wherein you can participate in games and challenges where you can earn bonus points or unlock special rewards. And then the next one is going to be the Feed, wherein you can see updates from the Fetch community, featured achievements, promotions, and activity related to ongoing games and events. Next is going to be the Leaderboard, wherein you can track how you rank against other players based on points or challenge performance, adding a competitive element to the experience. And the Friends is where you connect with friends who use Fetch, compare progress, celebrate achievements, and enjoy friendly competition while earning rewards together. Last section is going to be the My Activity section, serves as your personal rewards history and where you can review recently scanned receipts, online purchases, points you've earned, redeem rewards, and the current status of pending transactions. And it's the best place to monitor your account activity and verify that your purchases have been successfully credited with the correct number of points. Please keep in mind that the Fetch Rewards app is divided into two use cases. Number one is going to be for consumers, which is designed for everyday shoppers who want to earn rewards from their purchases. So basically, they just have to scan receipts, connect to eligible online accounts, earn points from participating brands, and redeem those points for gift cards and other rewards. And then you have the For Business, which is intended for brands, retailers, marketers interested in partnering with a Fetch Rewards app. Instead of focusing on the earning rewards, the businesses can use the Fetch platform to reach millions of shoppers, which is created targeting marketed campaigns, gain valuable customer insights, and build customer loyalty through the personalized rewards and promotions. And with that being said, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.